gives me great pleasure to announce LEAP, our opportunity to lead with talent and technology, lead with agility and resilience, to join hands with you to leapfrog into the future with new horizons.
To create these events is not the work of a moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to LEAP.
I've been to a lot of conferences and conventions around the world, and this feels like it's really in a class of its own.
It is an incredible conference. There's so many businesses doing so many incredible things I didn't even know existed.
We believe very strongly in the power of meeting people in the physical, and we believe very strongly that the economic impact, the business tourism, the social communities and networking that it generates is absolutely unbeatable.
In 2022 alone, we will invest $1 billion in the development of AI-enabled products and services.
$3.8 trillion will be actually provided by startups. Startups will be contributing to 7 out of 10 jobs in the next decade. But why the next decade? Why not now?
I invite you all to join us for this journey, to help us realize a world where limitless connectivity improves lives, redefines businesses, and pioneers a sustainable future.